first thing that wanted to say that it's already in live, so you can check it by your own. We shared the link after the demo. So our beta version, first of all, is for companies or startups who are searching for interns or students to complete the work. And as for them, they just can easily create the company account, going through 3-step sign-up flow. So let's check how it works. It needs to specify some basic data like first name, last name, email address. Email address should be unique for each company, of course. Passwords. It's important that to be matched with the second one, so just need to be accurate here. So move forward. Here I wanted to highlight that on the UI I already added testimonials and quotes from real customers. Customers already checked service provided by Sachin, and they are ready to check our beta version. It's, for example, this one of our paid customers, and he was so polite to share his thoughts and testimonial with us to put it in the beta version. So let's move forward to create first company. It should be also unique. We need to specify some obligatory field to complete them. For example, as customer, I wanted to have a demo with the representative of the app. Here I can specify which specialist I'm searching for, and just can easily get started. Here I'll have email verification. It will persist within SendGrid integration, so I can easily just check my email address and confirm email in order to move forward. Email should be unique and verified. So click on it and company created. Here I can create first vacancy as company and start running hiring process from lab team members. So create vacancy is the first option and ability for customer after registration. I also just wanted to highlight that all the info that was specified during sign up automatically added to company profile. So the user will be able to check all the data, and if something was missed, it can be edited, or it can be uploaded, and info changed. This info is required since it helps our team to speed up hiring process and make it smoothly. So this is important. So 3 steps, it might seem too long, but it's important for us to make the hiring process speed and quick. So we can create vacancy, but let me just get back step forwards. And here I want to say that also we spend some time to create simple form for our students and interns. Our beta version, first of all, for companies and startups, it's our potential paid customers, but also we provide the ability for students who wanted to get their first job or first opportunity to start their career to join Leaproom community and join a database created by Sachin. It just needed to specify the name, email address, provide specialization, and user will be able just to attach his CSV and send it to Leaproom team, and we will be able to add this candidate in our database, and if some relevant vacancy will be added, we will be able to assign this new user student to this vacancy and run his career fast. So as you can see, super admin, Sachin or me, for example, will get such an attachment with the email that new user signs up as a student, and we need to run our searching process for a job for him or for her, and this is how student form works. So let's get back. Also, such basic things like forget password flow was added. Just wanted to show how our UI looks like when a company creates couple vacancies. So let's check it. Here we have the listing of all vacancies created by some company. The user or company representative will be able to create new one, check the status, and check all the details on vacancy details page. It's how vacancy details looks like. I also to provide the ability to share the link in public, in social media to speed up the process of hiring. From their side as well, we provide the ability to generate public link and also check how public view will looks like. So this page can be easily printed. Also, it can be generated public link in order to share in social media. So, and of course, the user will be able to create new vacancy, specify all the data requirements, and create vacancies to run the hiring process. So it's how it works. And one more thing that was added, it's our key value on beta stage, since such event has a large base of candidates and most of them verified by screening test and interviews. So that means that their skills was proved by such things during their interviews. It was some basic questions regarding their technical knowledge and so all the skills and knowledge is specified in their CV. So if user really wanted to get quickly some verified CV in like prompt or in advance, he just can request it and it will be sent to company admin and a call can be scheduled, and since we already have a large base of candidates, it can be shared with these new candidates. So we will bring attention of first users and just to get their loyalty on early steps. And then it's the second hour better the proposal. It's workshops. We will provide service to or workshops. It's for free. It can be personal, so user can just request for personal workshop or call with section or team member of Leaproom in order to get knowledge how to create vacancy and make it efficient, and it will be easier to create vacancy and attract the right person, relevant person for this job position or vacancy in particular. So it's what exactly how it works. On each step, we have a single notification. So company admin will notify about any updates. I also just want to show you how our admin panel looks like. Just need to check credentials. I'm sorry. Just a moment. So this is admin panel for super admin, for session in particular. From admin panel, all the vacancies can be processed not manually. It's some part of this process located in our UI, so it's make the process faster. And for example, here we have vacancies listed from with all vacancies created by all companies who registered in Leaproom. But it can be easily filtered by company name, for example, and we can navigate to vacancy detail page where company admin will be able to prepare email and add relevant candidates, their CV to this email, and to close the request on any vacancies. So, for example, we can just add a couple attachments, prepare some text, and send it. So, and check how it looks like. The user will receive such an email with attachments, and if it works, this vacancy can be closed. So this is regarding admin panel part. Also, admin panel will have access to vacancies to companies listing. In companies listing, it's available options to navigate to redirect vacancies listing by the number of company created. It's in the last column here. In the first column, we can check which company registered the last one and navigate to filtered vacancies to the relevant listing. For example, here I wanted to check City Corp and one vacancy created by this company in particular. So how it works. And the one thing that I wanted to share here, we add like short feedback form for our users to get more insights, and such we'll be able to edit our proposal or our key value on the early stage regarding our workshops and CV verified, and it can be updated regarding all the updates on our business sites and all the benefits that we can provide currently. So this is how it works, and I hope that you enjoyed.